senta, que senta.
Chamou de maloqueira, minha cintura canta. Corpão ignorante, será que tu levanta? Se eu bater no chão, se eu bater no chão, vai rolar explosão. Se eu bater no chão, se eu bater no chão, vai rolar explosão.
Menina vai flexionando, jogando a bundinha pra trás e pra frente. Booty shake. Depois de gozada vai soltar fumaça, ficando bem louco de entorpecente, então.
Foram me chamar, eu tô aqui, cadê o dele baseado e o DJ bota essa porra pra tocar? Bora que chegou a bagunceira e o caos já tá formado, já tô louca e ninguém vai me parar. Chama, a luz chama, 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 deita na cama, chama, 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 a luz chama, vê se não gama, já conhece a minha fama, não pode se apaixonar.
Le petit polar, vem que o love vai te pegar.
And checked up her comment and now she ain't talking the same. 5 nights up, still popping and raging. The SB, I still living the range. I want her, she wanted the same. And the bucks same time, both better than game. Keep me a bobby, can't keep it contained. No, I keep me some dogs, always keep me in training. Tell a logo on the back of my brain. Don't ask me what the fuck am I thinking. I came with the snakes from squid. I broke out the game with a 4-5-6. She loving the flesh, I see it. She loving the flesh, yeah, I see it on her face. And I'm loving that body and lace. And I love you, little spider and Jackie. I know you got taste. If you let yourself take shots with me, if I love you, I'll drop you a picture of time and a place. YSL put her 6 feet. I ain't begging when I tell her, please. Ain't no fuck on fleek. Got love on me. Hey, what on B? Over your life, not cheap. On me on boy 2T. Why I just hit my account, never seen that amount. Oh God, I'm geek. Been on the charts for 500 weeks, so somebody love when I speak. Doing it just to show we get down in the 6, man, it's bigger than me. Texas ran so big that it's perfect for the dipping. I don't care how wet I get her, she won't catch me. 325 on the dashboard, riding the Porsche like a Tom Ford, rocking the bed in the headboard. What? Buying a Louis and Chris, New York. I took the jet to the New York store, parked at a regular airport. You stay in your feelings was never my boy.